As I said the other day, we need whistleblowers. We need more. We need to compile more evidence.
Ayon kay ICI Chairperson, Retired Justice Andres Reyes, para ito sa pangangalap ng karagdagang impormasyon at ebidensya upang higit na mapalakas ang mga kaso sa mga isinasangkot sa mga maanumalyang flood control projects.
Kailangan namin mga nagsasalita, nagsusumbong, nagtuturo, no? Kasi as I said the other day, these are criminal minds, mga mastermind to eh. These are planned already na hindi sila makukulit. No? So, walang record, walang usapan. So, at that point, I appeal to those people who have knowledge to come out and support us.
So, we just have to look, sino nag-refer na official ng DBF, o official ng Congress, o official ng Senate. We just have to refer that. No? Wala naman sa record sino nag-refer eh. Wala naman nakalagay sa DPWH na referred by this person. So we have to go through other means to extract that information.